Sienna introduces the Luna Micropulse Steam Cleaner. The Luna Micropulse Steam Cleaner gives you a total home steam cleaning system where you can clean and sanitize by killing up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria on almost any surface. Assembly is simple, no tools required. The ergonomic handle has an integrated cord holder and a quick-release cord wrap. Plus, Sienna has designed the Luna so it stands upright on its own. Its large-capacity water tank will provide 20 minutes of steaming power, and the unique LED light in the water tank indicates the water level. And the Luna gives you a soft-touch digital lighted control panel for all functions. As a floor steam cleaner, choose the level of steam on the LED steam indicator. These steam levels are designed to clean all types of sealed floor surfaces: stone, tile, hardwoods, and vinyl. And with the included carpet glider accessory, the Luna will sanitize and freshen carpets. And with the eco-friendly heavy-duty microfiber pad, all you do is throw it in the washer to reuse over and over again. The Luna Micropulse Steam Cleaner has an incredibly low profile. Plus, its 180-degree swivel head lets you maneuver anywhere, even the tightest spaces. And it's equipped with an LED light that illuminates your cleaning path. Deep clean with even more confidence, finding those soiled areas you may have missed. It's revolutionary micropulse technology vibrates at over 5,400 vibrations per minute, giving you a powerful scrubbing effect without you doing the work. The sonic effect assists Luna's movement across the floor surface. The sonic vibrations loosen dirt and grime and even dried sticky messes. Then Luna transforms into an incredible whole house cleaning system with the Luna Plus accessory kit. You can now steam clean kitchen and bathroom surfaces, even mirrors and shower stalls, any countertop, and deep clean ovens. Freshen furniture, bedding, and draperies, all without chemicals. Take it outside for autos, inside and out, on the patio to blast away grime on filthy grills or dirty furniture. Sienna Luna is eclipsing the competition. Luna, experience the art and science of cleaning.